It just hit like the bottom here, but it's fine.
On the trailer?
Yeah, it just hit the trailer. It hit like there.
It's fine.
It's fine.
That was an interesting one right there.
It honestly it didn't look as bad on camera as it felt in the car.
G'day guys, we're out on the South Australian coastline. We are about to get the boat in the water. We're at Parsons Beach. It's not good out here. Apparently the algal blooms made it here, but we're still going to try and get out there, see if we can get some squid. It's late start. It might look like it might be the morning at the moment, but it's certainly not. We are going to make our way out. It's probably about 4 p.m. Sun will be down at about 6 p.m. We're going to get out on the water. Storm yesterday, 60 k's an hour of winds. The beach is absolutely decimated here. Normally that would be smooth down, but now it's straight harsh up into the sand dunes. Ella behind me, we're going to get the boat out. We are going to see how we go. Hopefully we can get some squid and hopefully we'll be catching and cooking. Hold this.
Holding.
Hold on.
Perfect.
That's great.
This is fantastic. Woo!
That was not fun. That was not fun at all. Getting back's gonna be so horrendous. So when we did that just then, the worst thing that could have happened happened. One, my car couldn't get into 4 low. It wouldn't do it. It's one of the ones where you got a button and it would not go into 4 low. So I was stuck in 4 high. I reversed back, tried to jolt the boat off, didn't go quick enough to jolt it off. And then as I crept forward to try and redo it, the boat fell off the back of the trailer and sat fucking 45-degree angle.
Water was coming in the back. I couldn't do anything apart from yell at him to go forward.
And so
But he couldn't.
As I try and go forward, I'm still only in 4 high and I didn't think I needed to give it too much beans. And I was in the water at this point. So the waves have already started pulling the sand out from underneath my tires. And so I've tried to take off to get the boat off quick and I fucking stalled it. So then Ella's freaking out. I've stalled it. And then I restarted the car and then I got out thankfully. But if we were stuck there too long, the boat was sitting like this.
It was up.
I don't know, you guys probably saw it to be honest, but
Yeah, that was not fun.
that wasn't done very
We
well.
got there in the end. I mean, we're out in the water.
Yeah. Oh well. We're out here, hopefully we can catch some squid, otherwise yeah. We'll see how we go. So Ella reckons she might have just had a nibble from a squid. I can see a squid jag and I don't see any squid behind it, but
It couldn't have been caught on the bottom because I'm right near the surface.
was it some weed?
Nah.
Well, either way, I should try and get myself poaching out. been slow going. This is the first sign of life. No squid. It wasn't real.
I swear.
You're just gonna stand here like this.
Yep.
I need my keys, please.
Oh yeah. Fuck! Oh man. That really hurt as well. Okay, I'm holding it.
I've got a strap.
Oh no, that's blocked too. Stop!
Yeah, it's just the back.
Help me! Ah! That's my friend!
No, we were on land. Yeah. We made it back in. That was extremely stressful. I got bogged. The car's not going into 4-low. It's not helpful in the slightest bit. Not being able to get it into 4-low. Ella drifting the boat sideways because it's like too hard to keep hold of. It just all didn't add up well for us. But thank God, Tab was down at the beach right as we trying to get back up. I got bogged. He got bogged trying to tow me out, and then thankfully we managed to both get out of there. And then, as you'll see, or as you just did see, there was about 20 litres of water in the boat from coming back over the back of it when we were trying to get it on the trailer. Not fun. We're probably not trying out here again. We'll probably go out tomorrow in a different spot. See how we'll go though. The wind's still slightly up, but hopefully it dies off tomorrow like it's supposed to. We currently got the fire cranking. Steaks are on the menu tonight. Once we, steaks on the menu. steaks, broccolini. No squid, unfortunately, but we'll try and get some of them tomorrow. Just got to build up some coals and we'll get back to you. All right, not much of a functional fishing video, but I'm gonna cook a steak and there will not be any calamari and that will be okay. First of all, super easy, broccolini. You cannot go wrong. Bang, bang. Which way are we going? We're gonna go like this. We're just cooking over coal right now. Coal in a baby Weber. Nice and simple. I haven't got oil with me right now, but I'll grab some. Just not lit it. Get all them on. I'll chuck a bunch of oil on them. I will then chuck salt and pepper, and then I'll get some steaks on. I was looking back at the videos of earlier when we were getting the boat out. That clutch was just slipping and was not doing any good. And my tires, way too much air pressure, and I could have just dropped it and I probably would have been all right. Sounds all right. Decent bit of temperature in there. The steaks feel good. But, all right, I couldn't find any oil. I don't know what the hell was going on there. We didn't really. This was a bit of an impromptu trip. So, salt. Lots of salt. Don't season them yet. Pepper. Lots of that. Back on the salt. 12 twists. Always. We should be able to keep a bit of that heat in. And open the air vents up, let her live, let her breathe. And I'll be back with you guys when that's hopefully doing a bit more cooking.
Tink.
Cheers.
Perfect.
Oil and butter definitely goes a long way for broccolini, but they taste good. And this steak is going to taste even better. The wind's also picking up. I don't know what's going on. That storm was the storm was yesterday, and the weather prediction was supposed to be no wind, especially tonight, and tomorrow morning's supposed to be good, but it's not feeling like it. Some burn, some not. It's alright. And some steaks, which I don't know. I think they're well and truly cooked, to be honest. But do you ever really know with steaks? Who knows? There we go. That looks, honestly, that looks unreal. We will give you a taste test in a couple of seconds.
Mine's the butter knives. This is what we have. Cooked. Okay.
That looked overcooked with that.
No, it's
shot.
fine. It's fine.
Good.
That's really yummy. Good job also. Thank you.
No worries. Alright, we are done for the day. Hopefully we can get out in the boat tomorrow. I think we will be able to. The wind starters died down a bit, which is good. Beautiful night sky at the moment. Fire is just dying out. We've just set up the clothes to be dried. We're about to jump in the rooftop tent, go watch a movie, and then we're going to call it a night. We will see you guys in the morning. loose. This is what I'm working with. I've got a 4 low button, 4 high, 2 high. On the dash, you click 4 low. That's these slow, doesn't matter. And you just get flash, 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 flash.
Am I stuck?
And it doesn't go in. Not fun.
It doesn't look as bad on camera, but I promise it's fucking bad. It's yeah, it's not good. Okay. The drone just fell off the dash. That wasn't that bad.
40 psi on the tyres. That was absolute bog fest. My car, the clutch is absolutely destroyed. It is not healthy at all, and I can't get it in 4 low. That was a recipe for disaster. Could have dropped tyre pressures, probably would have been a bit better off, but even then I was stuck on the firmer stuff and it was still not liking it. But that's alright, we got out, we're all good. And next location, it's the next morning. We've wasted so much time this morning.
11:20.
11:20, we're still not in the water. We come up to Port Vincent to Hobart, Victoria, to try and use a boat ramp to avoid the issues of yesterday, but the wind is onshore, so as soon as we get out we'd be doomed anyway. So now we're going to drive to the other side of the peninsula, and hopefully that will be better for us.
Ah, no, you didn't. Yep.
We have finally made it onto the water. It has been a long day. I don't know what time it is. It's probably almost 2 o'clock. We're over in Stansbury now. We sent it all the way to the other side of the Yorke Peninsula, and thankfully, with the westerly, we're fine over this side, so hopefully we can get out and drift for some squid. This is what the state of the water's like. Nice and calm. We're going to putt our way out there, and hopefully we can get ourselves some squid.
It's actually pretty nice out here. That is a seal.
Oh.
Seal. He's sleeping.
Well, that is all she wrote. That was rough fishing, man. Yesterday it was terrible to be out in the boat. We had a good night last night, but then after all the messing around today, trying to work out where to fish, to get out here and for it to look beautiful and then for the wind to pick up, it wasn't fun. We got nothing. No fish. It's a shit fishing video, but you get a camping video. The drone shots should be pretty good. We got the seal yesterday, we saw another seal today, so at least we saw them. And yeah, good drone shots, but poor fishing. we will see you next time. Hopefully we get better weather coming up, hopefully. I've been trying to get out for a long time, trying to get out there fishing, but the weather's not holding up for me. So hopefully next time you see me, we get on some good fish.